Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create animated story for children like this using the Artflow AI. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, let's open the Chrome and search for Artflow AI. Okay, Artflow AI. Let's create an account in this website to create our story. Sign in with Google. Choose your Google account. Down, continue. Accept terms. Okay, fine. Okay, now let's begin to create our story. Let's go here to Story Studio. This type of
Benjamin Bunny, the clever bunny detective, enjoys a moment of tranquility in his meadow, unaware of the mystery that is about to come his way. Lined by the morph, but also delicate butterfly wings and bird feathers.
Okay, let's return. Create new story. Help me get story. I have story. Help me to get a story. First of all, let's see how is your audience. My audience is 6 years citizen from Canada, for example. Hey, what is purpose for story? Children, what the value of product? You can choose what you want. What genre of story you should be? Children's story. Story idea. You can choose the story idea from the chat GPT. Okay. I want to create story for children. Give me some ideas. Okay, give us those ideas. The bear who didn't like honey. Let's do this one. Okay, copy this one. All of those. Generate storyline. Okay, your personal outline story. This is the characters of my story. Pippa, Samantha, this story outline. Hit create. Want horizontal. And this is visual style of your story. Okay, storybook. Let's use this one. Anime. Continue. Okay, fine. Story character. This is Pippa, a timid young pigeon learning to overcome her fear on flying. This second counter is Samantha, a wise old sparrow, agent spirit, always encouraging the young birds. It takes some time to generate those characters. Okay, fine. Continue to the storyboard. This is short narration. Okay, before we export, we have to choose images. The first one, this is I heard leafy abdo, para. Choose one of those. I want to choose this. The sky was alive with water. Para, para. Okay, it's good. Choose the images that describe your story better. Okay. I think it's good after creating this export. There is a problem with this export. Oops, something went wrong. Let's refresh the page. And go to Story Studio. Okay, it's processing. Let's take some time to export. 82%. Okay, fine. It's done. Let's see our video.
Nestled high in her leafy abode, a little feathered friend quivered. Her heart raced as she watched joyful flocks darting and swooping in the air. The sky was alive with laughter. Birds danced like twinkling stars, filling the world with their cheerful songs. Suddenly, the gusts grew stronger. The branches trembled. A wave of worry washed over the small creature. The swoosh, her beloved.
Here, after that, you can download the video with the caption or not. 7 megabytes. Okay, thank you guys for watching this or for this video how to create animated story using this Artflow AI.